There's one thing in this world that affects everyone, no matter where you're at, and that's in some way, shape, or form, the weather. And I love being able to talk about it.
The broadcast meteorology class is offered for the first time this semester, and it essentially provides us the basic skills of broadcast meteorology.
We're starting to really dive on in to how to communicate in front of a chroma key, work in a newsroom, how do you connect with the viewer.
I am really excited to be able to take part in the first time that we've offered this class because I think it's crucial for the field. And for students that are coming into Central, it's a great thing that we're offering for the first time.
We have an amazing core of professors here at CMU. This is one of the best in the country for meteorology, and there's a reason for that, and they are part of the reason why.
He's honestly the best professor that we could have for it. He's great because he's been in the field for 7 years now, and so to be able to have somebody that's went through the same program as us teach us in a way that pertains to the field that we're going into is really great.